Hello viewers, once again I am here to upload a PDFgear video. Almost every feature of PDF has been deliberated in my videos. So you can explore any topic on PDFgear in my videos series. Let's see 7 features coming ahead. The web address for downloading the same. So let's go and open PDF file. Let's click on edit and go there to edit text. It's the most easy feature of PDFgear. You can entirely delete or alter any text. I did it and click exit editing. Next is edit object. It's along with add text features or almost the same. This feature is more used in pictorial data. However, still we can click and write something. Next is page numbering. Click on it, add page numbering, and let's choose this one. And next 01 against header and footer for top bottom. Let me choose in the next in center. This is the page you wish to select. Its colors, color it and click on OK. Now page 1 of 1, page 2 of 2, it's done. Next is header footer, add, and now new or add update. Let me write for header in the center header as well as center footer. Now let's go and see it. This is header and footer is my web address. By clicking I can reach to my channel. Let's go for clicking the page and then tick mark under the page. You can rotate it left, right. Let's click another page and crop it. So when the arrow becomes smaller, drag it and click done. Now the page is cropped. Let me add something a little more. Click on page, extract page. Now through this way I can extract a single page or a range of pages in. To save it, let's click on it, page numbering, OK, and now you will see the same method can be used also for deletion, and this is extracted. It's the cut page, so let's leave it. Now let's go again page and from image along with these other options. So let me choose a picture, and this is portrait, landscape, before, ending, or before page number. So let me place it by start page. Now let me delete the same page. Delete page, page number, and click OK. So the same page first would be deleted. Next, let's go check edit. These options appear: PDF to Word, Excel, PPT, PNG, and JPG. This is the best option. You should use it. It's AI. Click chat now. And through this you can connect to the internet to analyze your document. So these options appear: summarize this PDF file, zoom, whatever. Let me summarize it. Now the summary appears. It's in front of you. Next go to tools and add password to any document. Click on password, then password. Let me write 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the password. Click it, OK, and click save. You must save it. You must click save. Now open the file and let's see either it's password or not. So let me type wrong password. Let me 1 2 3 and correct yet. It's secure. Let me go and once again try on it. It's correct password 126. Click OK. It's done. Let me remove the same password Go to tools, remove password or remove, and are you sure you want to remove the password? Yes, and you go and must click save. Save is clicked. Now the password would be removed. So let me open the same file. Let's see, without password it's open. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share.